Welcome to my class on Vedic maths. Today we are going to discuss division by numbers like 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. We will see how quickly and fast we can divide by these numbers to any number using Vedic mathematics. Let us take a look at the first question. So here is our first question, where we are asked to divide 499 by 12. So what we are going to do, first of all you write the dividend 499 like this, and as we are required to divide by 12, 10 minus 12 is negative 2. So write negative 2 here like this and draw two parallel lines like this. Now first digit is 4. Bring this digit down like this, and the next step is to subtract 4 times minus 2, that is minus 8, from the next digit, that is 9. I repeat, subtract this 4 times minus 2, which gives you minus 8, and subtract from 9, so 9 minus 8 is 1. Again repeat the same step. Now 1 times minus 2 is minus 2, so subtract this minus 2 from the next digit, so you get 9 minus 2 equals to 7. So 417 we have got here finally. So last digit is remainder and first two digits are quotient. Our answer is quotient is 41 and remainder is 7. I hope the steps are clear. Let us take a look at next question. Second question is 679 divided by 13. So we will do the same process. We will write 679 as shown here, and here 10 minus 13 is negative 3. So write negative 3 here, draw two lines like this, that as you can see over here. First step is to bring this 6 down, so 6 is here. Now 6 times minus 3 is minus 18, and that you need to subtract from 7. As it cannot be subtracted, 7 minus 18 is not possible. So what we will do, we will make it short, reduce it by one digit. So cancel this 6 and reduce by one digit, make it 5, and that 1 we will add over here. So now it becomes 17. Again 5 times minus 3 is minus 15. So 17 minus 15 is possible. So we will write 17 minus 15, that is 2. Again next step, 2 times minus 3, this 2 and minus 3 gives you minus 6, which you can subtract from 9. So 9 minus 6 is 3. So you have got 5, 2 and 3. So quotient is 52 and remainder is 3. Now here is our next question. Here the dividend has 4 digits, 4738 divided by 13. So we will write 10 minus 13 is minus 3. So we will write minus 3 here. Now bring this down and write 4. Now 4 times 3 is 12, and 12 is more than 7. So what we need to do is reduce it by one digit, make it 3, and as we have reduced by 1 digit, so add extra 1 here. 3 3s are now 9, so write 9 minus 9. 17 minus 9 gives you 8. Now again 8 3s are 24 and 24 is more than this 3. So what we need to do, we have to reduce it by 1. 7 3s are 21 and here it is 13. It is still greater, so reduce it further by 1 more digit, 6. So we have reduced by 2 digits, so write here 2 now, and 6 3s are 18. 23 minus 18, now it can be reduced, so 23 minus 18 is 5. Again 5 3s are 15 and 15 is more than 8. Reduce it by 4 by 1 digit, so it becomes 4. 4 3s and here you have reduced by 1, so add 1 here. So 4 3s are 12. 18 minus 12 gives you 6. So finally the numbers that are left are 6 3 6 4 7 3 6 4 6, sorry, 3 6 4 6. So in this question the quotient is 364 and remainder is 6. With little practice you can easily do these questions, and as you can observe, we are able to solve such questions pretty much faster as compared to the normal process, methods that have been taught in our school. Let us take a look at one more example. Here is the next question. 5,829 divided by 14. So 10 minus 14 is negative 4. Write negative 4 here. Bring this 5 down and write over here. 5 4s are 20. Now 20 is more than 8. So reduce it by 1. Make it 4. And here it is 18. You have to add one extra 1 here. 4 4s are 16. 16 minus 18 minus 16 gives you 2. 4 2s are 8. Again you see that 8 is greater than 2. Reduce it by 1 and write 1 here. So 4 1s are 4. 12 minus 4 is 8. Next step is 8 4s are 32 and you have to subtract 32 from the next digit, that is 9, which is again greater number. So you have to reduce it by 1, make it 7, and here it is 1. 7 4s are 28 and has to be subtracted from 19, which is still greater. Reduce it further by 1 more digit, so it becomes 6, and here it becomes 2. 6 4s are 24, which can be easily subtracted from 29, so your remainder becomes 5. So finally the answer that you are getting is 4165. So 416 is quotient and 5 is remainder. Hope with these examples how we divide the steps have been clear. If it is not yet clear, you can watch the video from the beginning, and still if you have any doubt you can write in the comment section. I will try to solve your confusion or question. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you liked videos, do subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you very much once again. See you in the next video.